Hi guys, I'm here with another research video. This time, as I promised, it's hot sauce that you can find here in the States, I believe, most of them. So let's get started. Um, I'm Nelly with the Pre-Love Vibe on eBay. As you can see, 98.6%. That is still that way, but if you don't know, I have a video talking about a buyer that, yeah, a bad buyer. But anyway, let, let's get to this video. So, first thing, we're doing hot sauce. We got ass kicking travel size extreme hot sauce pack of 4. This went for $5.99, $4.99 shipping. 7 have sold. Yep, and 3 available. I've never seen this before, but it's out there. Tony's handcrafted hot sauce. It went for $8, free shipping. Again, guys, these are not. I'm not looking for necessarily big ticket items. I'm looking for items that, if you live in a place like I do where it's hard to find stuff to source, these are some things that you can find every day at your local grocery store, um, pharmacy, uh, you know, corner store. So yeah, a lot of 2 Crystal Louisiana pure hot sauce, 6 ounce. See this all the time in Kroger's. Went for $8.50 shipping. Next is Marie Sharp's hot hair habanero hot sauce, 10 ounce. Excuse me, y'all. $4.49, $6.28 shipping. Again, I think maybe these are couponers, people who I'm getting tongue tied this morning, but you know, um, maybe they have coupons for these items and getting them cheaper. Can you still stack coupons? Hey, let me know down below. I remember back in the day you could stack coupons and make your items a little bit more cheaper. Or they could have got these items 10 for 10. Some stores have that. You know, 2 for 5. Something like that. But anyway, Hu Fong Sriracha hot chili sauce. I've seen a lot of these, so this is a hot item that people are buying. Um, this went for $10.49. 26 have sold, 10 available. And I think I have this down at Kroger's, and it's in uh, in 3 carts. So yeah, it's be something to look at, and it's free shipping. So yeah, like I said, this item is um, a bolo. 3 bottles for $29.86. I'm gonna have to be on the lookout for that. 10 people wanting it, and 26 has already sold. So yeah. Next up, we have Woodstock Ghost Pepper Hot Sauce. This is a 3-pack, $28.95. Um, one have sold, and free shipping. I never heard of that. Excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Good stuff. La Victoria salsa, 12 ounce. This is a 12 pack. Ooh, for 73.66. I'm going to. I know a store that has these. I'm going to have to get some of those. One sold, 8 available, um, and free shipping. Okay, La Victoria. Hey guys, do you guys like hot sauce? Or do you like the hotter the better, or are you like a small fry like me? I used to younger. I could eat a lot of hot stuff, but now it's like you gotta tone it down some. Texas Pete, 24 ounce, $7.74 shipping. I mean, sorry, it went for $7.74, and it's free shipping. And down here, you have more, so this might be an item to look for. Pepper Palace hot habanero mango sauce. 6 have sold. It went for $14.99. Free shipping. I've never seen this before, but this is how it looks. Pepper Place. Next up, we have Taco Bell. And guys, I've started doing this because my hubby and my son, they like some Taco Bell. So, if you don't know, when you go to Taco Bell, or if you order online, it asks you how many packets, excuse me, of sauce do you want. And you could put down, especially if you have a big order, how many packets you want and what kind you want. And yeah, it adds up quick. But this 50 Taco Bell Fire, and there's more. There's different sauces. I think I got one more to show you, but there's a lot. Diablo, I believe, that's a good one too. But it's 50 Fire hot sauce for $11.99, free shipping. So yep, a Taco Bell sauce. Next up is organic ghost pepper, sriracha, spicy. This is neat. I never seen this. This went for $9.75. 373 have sold. And $5.50 shipping. This is how it looks. Blazing Dragon. Is it called Blazing Dragon? Because that's not enough. So, okay, whatever. Showing pictures, that's cool. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Yep, be on the lookout. Blair's hot sauce, new. Deaf. Oh wow. Went for $28.99. One have sold. Uh, sorry guys. Free shipping. I believe it's just one. Sudden death. That's cool. Original death. Let's see. Crystal death. That's cool. That is cool. Let's see. I'm just curious. Okay, yeah. I like that sudden death. Crystal death. Death. Next up, Tabasco chipotle pepper sauce, medium. How many times? Excuse me. And this is smoked. Mm. It's got my mouth watering. I want to try this. It went for $5.55. Free shipping. And again, you may ask, one sold. Maybe this person got this for a sale, a deal, So yeah. Here's another one. Scorpion, extremely hot. It went for $13.21 each. It says free shipping. Scorpion pepper. That's cool. That's the Best Buy day. Yeah. All right. 13.21, guys. Ooh, I gotta cut my heat up in here. Taco Bell breakfast salsa, picante hot sauce. This is 25 packs. This is the first I've seen that, but I don't eat Taco Bell. Um, and I never ordered the breakfast for, excuse me, my hubby and son. But anyway, 25 packs for $19.99. Excuse me. Um, $3.94 shipping. Two sold, and it's out of stock. But I'm gonna be looking for this. I mean, why not? Why not? Next is another Tabasco. Sorry, this is green pepper, mild flavor. This went for $15.64 for 2 bottles, free shipping. And yeah, I haven't tried this kind before. Hmm. Yeah, I like the stock photos. That's cute. Yeah, guys, you like avocado? I like avocado. Um, yeah, avocado dip. I guess. I can't bring the word up. Yeah, I'm all over today. It's just a rough morning so far, people. But yeah. Anyway, let's move on. This is my hot sauce, Frank's red hot sauce, original, keto friendly. It says, huh? But yeah, $4.75. That seemed like it's the regular price. um, Free shipping. Yeah, it seemed like it's the regular price for me. But yeah, I like to make my cauliflower wings and with this, and of course buffalo chicken wings for my family. I don't eat meat. I'm a vegetarian, so yeah. Um, Four have sold, and yeah, this went for $4.75 free shipping. Okay. Oh, this does say that gluten free, dairy free, vegetarian, zero fat, 0 calories. Huh. Yeah, I be all iffy when things have 0 calories and zero fat. I mean, only thing that I could think of is water. I mean, it's I don't I don't know. Me, I don't think that is true. Let me know what you think down below. And last, we have Pepper Belly Pete's Ultimate Combo. Zippity zap. That's a lot. And this is okay. This has Worcester sauce too, and premium pepper sauce. So it went for $20.90. $9.88 delivery. Shipping. 16 have sold, 6 available. Uncle Billy's Peace. Anyway, that's how we see it. I don't know nothing about this one. Haven't seen it, but I will be looking for it. And yeah, so that is what I was looking for this morning. The hot sauce, and yeah. Um, if you have any ideas of what to look for, um, again, this doesn't mean I won't be looking for big ticket items. I might do a couple of videos on that, but basically, like I said, I'm starting off, and I am in an area where the pickings are scarce. I do source other ways too online, um, through all the platforms. Uh, Facebook Marketplace, I do that a lot also. Um, yeah, so yeah, um, I'm trying to learn about high bid. I mean, I see Kat, the nurse flipper, which I love, by the way. I love the fact she was a nurse like me, and you know, have made uh, have doubled her income, and maybe tripled it. You know, I'm sure she has, but anyway, I like her. Uh, I like her story. Um, as do I like a lot of other resellers' stories. I mean, we're all out here trying to make a way. But yeah, so yeah, I'm Nelly, the pre-love vibe. And guys, thank you for hanging out with me again. And hopefully, I'm helping you as I help myself. If you have any suggestions or anything you need or want to critique, um, I'm here. Drop it down below. Um, take care and have a great day.